In this video, I will show you how to add music to Canva. So I'll be showing you today how to add music and audio to your Canva design so you can create more engaging videos, presentations, social media posts, and other projects. If this video helps you out today, make sure to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Canva tutorials, editing guides, and easy tech tutorials. Here we are on Canva, and there's actually two ways you can do this. So what you can do is use Canva's inbuilt audio library to add music, or you can of course upload your own music to any Canva projects. Now, as you can see, I've just got this sample video here, which I'll be using as an example to show you how to add both your own music or Canva's built-in audio. To add any of Canva's built-in audio, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Elements. Once you've done that, at the search box at the top, you want to type audio into here, give that a search. And what that's going to do is bring up all the audio available on Canva. So if you come up to the top, click onto audio here, you can find all the inbuilt audio tracks for Canva. Now, some of these are free, but you do have a lot more options available if you have Canva Pro. So you can see the ones with the Canva Pro logo are available if you have Canva Pro, but you can see there's also a ton of free tracks you can use as well. Now, to add this, all you need to do is simply drag and drop this onto your video timeline. As you can see, you can also preview the music by clicking the play button next to the track you want to preview. And if you actually click onto the audio in your project, you can see at the top, you can do things like, for example, adjust the volume, you can add a fade or beat sync or captions, and that is how to use Canva's inbuilt audio library. Now, if you want to use your own music, what you want to do is come over to the left and click onto Uploads. Once you've done that, click onto Upload Files, and that's going to open your computer's file explorer, where you can locate and upload the audio or music you want to add. Once that's done, come and click onto Audio from the Upload section, and you're going to find all your uploaded tracks. And again, what you can do is just simply drag and drop this into your video project. Again, you've got the option here to adjust volume, fade, beat sync, and some other things as well. And that is how to add music to Canva. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.